AI and ML in transportation. In our everyday lives, we will find many instances where we are required to engage in some kind of travel. It can be something as simple as going to work or for some shopping nearby. Or it could be a full-blown travel plan to a completely different location. In either case, however, one thing that remains constant is our means of travel and the transportation we use. However, any kind of travel that we do also comes with certain challenges. For instance, even in our daily commute to work or elsewhere, we have to consider factors like timings, routes, and potential traffic. For longer distance trips, these details become even more important as quite often we may not be sure of local roads and routes for wherever we are going. Now, while most of the time we get past these barriers with our own understanding of the challenges of travel and transportation, the growth of technology has been making this process constantly easier. One of the main ways in which it does so is through GPS navigation technology. Initially developed as a means for navigation for military use, the use of GPS in everyday life has steadily grown by leaps and bounds. Today, most cars that come with inbuilt infotainment systems also have a GPS feature built into them. In addition, even our smartphones have GPS and navigation features, which we can use independently whether we are in a vehicle or not. And as we can see from the increased usage of GPS and navigation features, this helps in many ways. For instance, if we use our personal vehicle for our daily commute to work and back, we simply need to feed in the route to the system, and it will revert with not only the primary route, but alternative routes, traffic information, and estimated time as well. Similarly, when using maps and navigation features on our phones, we would also find that whenever we input a starting point and a destination on our Maps app, it will not only show us the possible routes, but also how much time it would take depending on what mode of transport we use, be it a car or a two-wheeler or even public transport. This can help us plan our travel and transport to suit us in the best way possible. Another use case for navigation services lies in the use of cab booking and ride-sharing apps like Uber and Ola. Whenever we have to book a cab, the process involves setting our current location and destination, and then clicking on Book, and the nearest cab will then confirm based on the information reflected on their own smartphones, making the process easy and straightforward. All of these systems are based on AI-driven solutions, wherein the service providers like Google Maps and others use machine learning systems to track routes, traffic, and other details that would be of impact to users. Today, the influence of these technologies has spread to automobile technology as well, with the development and use of technologies like Advanced Driver Assistance Systems or ADAS, as well as self-driving cars. These systems of navigation and assistance are enabled by AI. For instance, ADAS systems in cars are built on a combination of regular navigation and GPS technology paired with sensors, cameras, and onboard computers, which are programmed with algorithms that are designed to map out the road around the car from all angles, figure out any obstructions or predefined objects like lanes, traffic lights, and other road features, which govern how the car has to move. In an ADS system, these are features that assist the driver in driving more safely, while in an advanced mode, these are the navigation technologies that enable self-driving automobiles to drive and navigate without human intervention. So, as we can see, AI and machine learning are playing an increasing role in GPS and navigation technologies as well. And with further spread of such features and systems, there is no doubt that the field of transportation would be radically changed for the better in the future.